Hi, I'm Devin Helms with vPlex Product Marketing. The changing needs of businesses have led to the rapid adoption of XtremIO all-flash arrays for hosting applications where high performance and storage efficiency are key requirements. VDI and high I/O transaction databases are two key areas where XtremIO provides significant benefits. But the need to provide continuous availability, non-disruptive mobility, and continuous protection for operational recovery on these workloads has never been greater. vPlex allows you to simultaneously access the same data on two arrays in the same data center or across data centers, as well as move workloads from one array to another non-disruptively. This allows for fully active-active XtremIO arrays, the creation of continuously available volumes on XtremIO, and non-disruptive moves of workloads to accommodate change in class of storage, XBrick expansion, or tech refresh. RecoverPoint provides continuous replication of application data from XtremIO to any other array, be it flash or spinning disk, both synchronously and asynchronously across world-spanning distances. These two solutions together provide the protection you need to ensure maximum availability, mobility, and the fastest recovery for your workloads hosted on XtremIO. vPlex provides continuous availability by making the same data read and write accessible across two arrays simultaneously, either in a local data center or across two data centers separated by synchronous distance. To achieve this, application data is mirrored from an array to a second array. This second array can be an XtremIO XBrick, some other flash array, or even spinning disk. vPlex makes both sides of the mirror on the array look like a single volume called a distributed virtual volume. Hosts access this distributed virtual volume in an active-active manner. If an outage should occur, one side of the mirror, hosts continue to operate using the remaining side of the mirror, still accessing via the distributed virtual volume. No additional configuration or remediation is required. And once the failed side of the mirror is repaired and restored, hosts immediately begin using both sides of the mirror in an active-active manner. No failback is required. This can be configured in a single data center or across two sites separated by synchronous distance, protecting your applications from full site failures. Because hosts access to the distributed virtual volume presented by vPlex, application data can move across arrays without the host even being aware that the move is taking place. For example, a workload that needs the high I/O performance of XtremIO at the end of a quarter could be moved from spinning disk to the XtremIO XBrick non-disruptively. When the period of high I/O is over, the workload can be moved back to the original array. The move can be conducted on production workloads during normal business hours non-disruptively. And these workloads can even be moved over distance non-disruptively. This means you can get more out of your XtremIO investment because you can load only the highest I/O workloads to XtremIO only when the high I/O capabilities are necessary, and then return them to spinning disk when you're done. Replication continues to be an important capability to protect workloads on XtremIO. RecoverPoint provides synchronous and asynchronous replication, locally and over distance. A RecoverPoint splitter sits in path and splits writes off from the XtremIO to a RecoverPoint appliance. Those writes are captured in a local journal, allowing recovery to any point in time. A secondary site can optionally be used for remote replication. This can be virtually anywhere in the world, as the replication is asynchronous and allows up to 200 milliseconds of latency. And the target array can be virtually any block storage array. A second RecoverPoint appliance at the remote site captures the read data sent from the RecoverPoint appliance at the primary site. And again, because the journal captures each individual write, operational recovery can be done from virtually any point in time. This allows for near-zero recovery time for operational errors and disasters, and a near-zero recover point, as recovery can be done to virtually any point in time. So if you're considering XtremIO for your all-flash array needs and want to know more about the best protection options, contact your EMC representative or visit us at emc.com.